Morning people, welcome back to the farm, and today we're growing bamboo. So we've got a few bits and bobs for the wheelbarrow. Most important thing, the hat, plenty of water, we've got some vitamin seed there, a couple of jobs for digging the holes, and then the giant Taiwan bamboo from the other house. So it looks terrible. It's not that we've planted these and they've rooted. We just cut these off the main stem, the ones that are already sprouting. So we put these in hormone for a couple of hours last night, and you take them out, let them dry, and because it's the wet season, you can bang them straight in. So we put about 15, 20 in a few days ago. We're going to check on those. We're going to pop these in. Toon's just cutting them, digging up a couple of vegetables that aren't doing very well in full sun near the pond. So we're going to pop them in the shade as well. So we'll show you those also. Right, enough blah-de-blah. Action time. So we'll see you in a bit. Right, first location, not far from the house. Toon's just digging the first hole for our, I can't pronounce this, Bai Chapu. Is that right?
Yeah,
Bai Papu?
Bai Chapu.
Bai Chapu. You can see it's quite a dark green leaf vegetable, or you call it salad, but in full sun it takes a bit of a beating. So
They're not dead, but they're not growing.
yeah, they weren't really progressing, although there's a few new leaves. So get plenty of shade and moisture under here. So, oi! Not very helpful, Mo, are you? She normally runs off with them. So we just bung them in, and like nearly everything else that we grow, put some vitamin in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These we didn't buy them; they were just growing in the back of the garden of the other house. So we were in there yesterday cutting the bamboo, and because it's like a jungle out there, there's loads of this stuff growing. So we'll probably pick some more and put it all the way along. You don't see it for sale that often round here. Okay, next stop, bamboo. Keep going, missus. Can't have a tea break yet. Toon's just about to do the last bamboo before we shoot off. Been quite quick. Not sure how many we're putting. It's about 15 or so. That was about it. Just less than a year ago when we did a bamboo video before, and it showed weed killing spraying, and a lot of people were concerned, you know, about it actually getting into the food and being very dangerous and carcinogenic. So we tend not to spray anymore. We strim, but you can see from the lush vegetation the weed growth is quite substantial. But if you just have a quick look round, the bamboo is not suffering from it because we strim it, and then if I just come over to this one, and then we scrape the soil away, keep it nice and soft, and put some vitamin on there now and again, and it seems to be working fine. So plenty of new growth on most of these. There's a new one there. Lovely. That one even better. So we won't be picking any today. That's a good one as well. There. We just want them to grow nice and tall. Oh. And then once they form a canopy, it's pretty much zero weeds. So my lovely assistant scraped it all round, cleared the weeds away, thrown the vitamin in there, and stuck the bamboo in there about 6 inches down. You can lay them sideways But round these neck of the woods they do it that way. So we need 3 more on that line, and then just the odd one here and there. So how many lines is it now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 rows with about 15 on each one. So pull, May. May pull. A few more rows for sure. That's it. That's the vitamin seed that we put in. So wants to have a quick look at the sake she put down here. She's not done a shade for it, a curtain, so if it's dead, I've said she's not allowed another one. The other one she put a curtain on, it's doing well. So you can see the lower leaves gone crispy, the top leaves looking half decent though. Some people have been asking, are we going to make anything alcoholic from it? I think we're just going to eat the fruit. Or make canum from it. Let's have a look, see if we've got any small eggplant. Found these growing a while back. Had 3 really good crops off them so far. I meant to put some long lightweight trousers on, because your legs get a little bit itchy in this stuff, but and there's still mozzies about. Oh, growing quite well. So these are just self-seeded. Our favourite eggplant as well. Lots of new flowers coming. I was asked on our Facebook page just day before yesterday by one follower asking if we have looked into permaculture. It's a very simplistic way of gardening. You're just sort of like enhancing what nature's coming up with. So I suppose the very, very most basic aspect for us for permaculture was, once we found these growing wild, we cleared around them, got the weeds back and gave them vitamins, and you can see the fruits of a little bit of labour. And then over here, where, let me have a look. See, it looks like a jungle to me, so God knows what it looks like for you viewers. Somewhere around here was another load of small ones, small eggplants. I can't find them now. I think they're further along. And we took out the really small ones and we've planted those round the ponds. Right, helpful as ever, Mo, isn't you, mate? Hey? Mo's quite funny. She likes to run with the big dogs. Sometimes it doesn't end well for her, but she's not scared. Right, that's about it for now. Happy days, bit sweaty. Soon clearing around sake and around the eggplants, then we'll head back, get out in the sun, have a drink. Oh yeah, we've moved some mango trees from the orchard near the house. The guy that grows about 200 of these just up the road, he came round and he said you need about 7 metres in between each one, and we had 4 metres, so we've moved 3 of them and a few other big trees, and they're transplanted quite well. There's another one over there, smaller one. Yeah, good. Thanks for watching, guys. A little bit of a longer video this time, and although it was a couple of 2 or 3 videos back, the puppy video, that was a sacrificial video whilst we were rebranding the channel, meaning that when you make changes to your channel, like your profile, your about page, all those sorts of bits and bobs, then it can throw your videos out a little bit for a few publications. So yeah, we just put any old rubbish on there. Apologies, but it seems to have worked well, and hopefully it's a good step forward. Digital streamlining. Ta-da for now.